Hello. Hello, this is Liz. Welcome to my little urban homestead. I've already canned some apples and pears, and I'm running out of things to do with the apples. I've made lots of wine out of them. And canned some and froze some, same as the pears, canned some, froze some. But today I'm going to have a go at canning them in half pint jars, canning some pears, because at times it's just me that I just fancy them. So that's what I'm going to do now. I have got some water on the boil, warming up anyway, with my jars in it, so it'll sterilise the jars and it'll do the for water bath canning in them. I have peeled some here. The plate's on them to hold the apples down because they float, and this water has got lemon in it. Now there are pears in it, but there is also apples. Now when they go brown, because of the oxidisation, it isn't that they've gone off or anything, it's just that that's what happens when the flesh of the fruit comes into contact with the air. So I'll show you what I've been doing with the pears first of all. This pear, there's little bits I've missed, that's alright. I've had that many apples to do. Look what's happened to my apple core. I've had to buy myself another one. Cut the bottom off so it'll stand up. Cut it in half. Get yourself a spoon and scoop it out. Now it may go to the top and it hasn't got all the seeds out, so just go over it again. I think I might have these in quarters because they'll fit in better. So there's one piece. Quite another. Top off. So that's that off. And just keep going through them until you've done them all, or as many as you're going to do. No, I've changed my mind. I don't think I'm going to put them in these small half pint jars. I think I'm going to freeze them like this. I have frozen some already in a light syrup because I've got too much syrup for those I was canning, so I froze a lot of them, and I think that's what I'm going to do with these. So, but I'm not going to put them in a syrup, so I'm going to put a layer in my container. Normal granulated sugar here. And let's move things. Normal granulated sugar. I'm just going to sprinkle some over the top. And then put another layer in. Let's see if I can do a small amount as well. And that's all my bits of pear. Sprinkle some sugar over the top of them. So these are just here for me or for getting out into a pie, making a little pear pie, whatever. So I'm going to freeze them like that. Thank you. Bye!
It's a perfect